Ep8 boys. Welcome to my channel, Learning Builds Life. Today we are going to talk about algebra, binomials, and trinomials. Let's take a look at today's sum. Simplify 1 minus x the whole into 1 plus x the whole into 1 plus x squared the whole into 1 plus x to the power of 4. Let's see what we can do. Firstly, I have to say we need to refer a formula over here, which is a minus b the whole into a plus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. This is the formula which we are going to refer to. Now let's begin. You write the sum 1 plus x squared the whole into 1 plus x to the power of 4. First, we will take care of the first pair. So I just separate it with a bracket, a second bracket, and write it like this, because we will take care of this pair first. The whole into 1 plus x squared, the whole into 1 plus x to the power of 4, equal to, now referring the formula, we get 1 squared minus x squared, the whole into 1 plus x squared, the whole into 1 plus x to the power of 4. Now we take care of this pair. So again, we separate it with a second bracket, and we write 1 minus x squared, the whole into 1 plus x squared. This, the whole into 1 plus x to the power of 4. Now again, referring the formula, we get 1 minus x squared the whole squared, 1 squared. Here we have to write second bracket, the whole into 1 plus x to the power of 4. Now simplifying this, we get 1 minus x to the power of 4. Finally, we can write this as 1 squared minus x to the power of 4 whole squared. Equal to 1 minus x to the power of 8. And this is our final answer. So now you may take a look at the board. Moving on to our next sum. This is our next sum. Express x squared plus 5x plus 12 the whole into x squared minus 5x plus 12 as a difference of two squares. Again, here we have to refer the same formula, which I am noting down. A minus b the whole into a plus b the whole equal to a squared minus b squared, which is nothing but a difference of two squares, and here the two squares are a squared and b squared. We have to express this in that form. Let's see how we can do it. First of all, let's copy it. X squared plus 5x plus 12 the whole into x squared minus 5x plus 12. Now, equal to, take x squared plus 12 as one unit, like as one thing, plus 5x in this case, the whole into x squared plus 12 minus 5x. Now if we can notice over here, the a part is like x squared plus 12 is acting like the a part. Here, a equal to x squared plus 12, and b is 5x. If we think in that way, it's matching with this form. Here a is this plus a b plus our b, and here a minus b. Finally, we can write x squared plus 12, the whole squared, minus 5x, the whole squared, which is nothing but a difference of 2 squares. This is our answer. Now you may take a look at the board. Hope you enjoyed this episode, and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.